Hey everyone, welcome back to Half Life to Health. This is Nidhi. Today we are doing workout which you can do on your couch. This workout is super easy. It is best suited जब आप ऑफिस से थके हुए आ रहे हैं और आपका नॉर्मल वर्कआउट करने का मन नहीं है. इस वर्कआउट को आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके घर में जितने भी सीनियर सिटीजन हैं वो कर सकते हैं आराम से काउच पर बैठ के या चेयर पर बैठ के. अभी हम करेंगे 10 exercises, each exercise for 30 seconds with a break of 10 seconds in between. So let's get started. So first exercise is sitting walk. So sit properly, comfortable on your couch, back is straight, and we'll move our leg, opposite hand. And we'll start now. Keep breathing and keep moving. ये एक्सरसाइजेस सुपर सिंपल है. अगर आप ऑफिस से थके हुए आ रहे हैं तो अगर आपका न्यूज़ चैनल देखने का मन है तो न्यूज़ लगा लीजिए और साथ में इन एक्सरसाइजेस को कीजिए, या कोई सीरियल भी देख सकते हैं और जस्ट कीप मूविंग. हम लोगों को हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि हमारी बॉडी में मोबिलिटी बनी रहे. आप ऑफिस में खाली बैठे हैं चेयर पर, कोई मीटिंग चल रही है, आप इन सब एक्सरसाइजेस को बहुत आराम से इंकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं. And break. Now we'll do sitting jacks. So we'll sit like this, and jumping jacks में we jump like this. And now we'll do the same movement in this in a sitting posture. Let's get started. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Always focus on your breathing. आप जोर तेज़ी से कर सकते हैं, इंटेंसिटी बढ़ा सकते हैं, या आप स्लो भी कर सकते हैं. बेस्ड ऑन वॉट एवर लेवल ऑफ एनर्जी यू हैव, ट्राई दीज. एंड फ्यू मोर. Inhale, exhale. And last few, and break. Next we'll do invisible rope. So we know how to do skipping, but here we are sitting comfortably and we'll do skipping. So here we'll start like this. Okay, and your time will start now. Come here. You can do bigger jumps like this, or you can just do small taps. Whatever is comfortable, just maintain a constant pace and keep doing. It's just for 30 seconds, so don't stop. And a few more. And good job. 10 seconds break. And now we will do reach side to side. So like this and this. Same leg, we are taking opposite direction, and this. And we'll start now. And maintain a constant pace, whatever is comfortable for you. Important is that you have to keep moving your joints, your body as much as you can, and keep doing it. Even if you are doing exercise on a regular basis, it is good to keep moving while you are in office or on your desk. Good job. Next exercise. So next we will be standing. So we'll be doing squats. So we'll be doing chair squat. For that we'll be going up and coming down. Touch and up. And we'll start now. Go up and down. Up. Inhale and exhale. Just touch and come up, and few more. You should be pretty comfortable. If you're not comfortable, go sit and come up. If that is not comfortable, take support from your hands and come up. Go down, support and come up. And few more. And this is last one. Good job. Now we'll do kicks, jab kicks. So for that, it is opposite leg, opposite hand, like this. Okay, and we'll start now. And few more. Come on. Add intensity. If you really want to increase the intensity of this exercise, You can take some weights in your hand and do that, like this. And wall, push from your shoulder, and few more. Inhale and exhale. And good job. And next we'll do bicycle crunches. For that, keep your elbows on your sofa, lean back, bring your legs here, and one. So it's like bicycling in the air without a bicycle. So keep breathing, and few more. As much as you can. You can increase the intensity, you can decrease the intensity, you can take it away from your body, and if you're not comfortable, you can just do closer to your body. That will be easier to do. And last few more. And good job. Last 3 exercises to go. Now we'll do knee to elbow. So again, exercise for your core. And if you remember, when we stand, we do this exercise. So now while sitting, we'll do it. And so like this, knee to elbow, opposite leg, opposite hand. And we'll start now. Inhale and exhale. Your obliques are getting engaged in this exercise. And few more, keep moving. And last few. And good job. Last 2 exercises. Now we'll do Russian twist. For that, I'll take a pillow. I'll take this one and put this here. I'll put my legs up, something like this, and I'll move from side to side. Okay, like this. And we'll start now. Take this from one side to another side. Good. Keep breathing, back straight. So if your legs are closer to your body, that will be harder. You can always put them down, but that will be too easy. So you can adjust your leg, the level of your leg based on your comfort, but keep your back straight. That is super, super important. And last few more, and then last exercise. And done. Good job. The last one. The last one will do hollow hold. For that, again, your core will be engaged, back straight. You are on the edge of the sofa, up, back straight, and hold. Your time starts now. Come in the position and hold. Core engaged. Yep. Good job. You have done a great job. And you can always repeat it if you have more energy. And if your serial or whatever you are watching is longer, you can always do it for like 2 to 3 rounds. And few more seconds. And slowly, slowly, slowly come back. आप इन एक्सरसाइजेस को ट्राई करिए. आप सोचेंगे कि यार काउच पर बैठ के कैसे वर्कआउट होगा, बट ये वर्कआउट बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और बहुत यूजफुल है, स्पेशली उन डेज के लिए जब आप अपना रेगुलर वर्कआउट मिस कर रहे हो. ये आपको ओवरऑल बॉडी में एक मूवमेंट प्रोवाइड करेगा. इसके अलावा ये स्पेशली यूजफुल है सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए, क्योंकि वो आराम से सोफे पर या चेयर पर बैठकर इसे कर सकते हैं. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा है तो इसे लाइक करिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम.